Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal business account. So first thing, log into paypal.com. So that's the PayPal homepage. All right. So here, hit on sign up. So once you click that, and here you're going to choose the type of account. So here in this video, I'm going to show you creating a business account. So click on sign up now under for your business. So click on that for your business. All right, and then once you're done, all right, it's just asking for some security question. I'm not a robot. Yep, click on it. That's fine. All right. Yep. So next, it's gonna ask you for an email address. So provide your email address that you're gonna create the account with. So I'm just creating a dummy one, right? So and then once you're done, hit next, and then again choose a password based on the criteria. So I can just choose something for now, right? Based on this criteria, choose a password, then hit on next. And then here, you're going to choose what type of business is yours. So you've got quite a few options here. So choose the one that best suits your business. All right, so choose that and then hit next. And then they're going to ask you more information about your business. So your business legal first name, last name, okay, and then your business company details, company names, and what type of products or services that you sell or you provide, your business phone number, and then the registered address. So all these details you got to fill in all these details, and then make sure to tick in these check boxes and also read the user agreement and all these disclosure statements and everything. Please have a look through it and then click on the tick checkbox here. And once you're done, and all you got to do is hit agree and create account. So once you hit that, you should be getting an email from PayPal, and once you get it, then that is it. Your business account is created. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.